Hi, so today we will see how you can generate a 3D model from text prompt using AI tool. Okay, single AI tool. Within this single AI tool, you can perform lots of tasks, unlimited tasks. You can see. Okay, so basically 3,500 plus task means tools you will get from one single dashboard over here. Okay, so task you can check, you can create lots of tasks. Actually I am not telling you in detail, so you should, if you want to know all the informations, you should watch our videos, earlier videos we have already created over here. Okay, this video over here, get 20 plus AI premium tools plus 3,000 plus tasks you can perform from single plan. Okay, you should check out. I will add the link in the I button and description. Okay, so now basically this is the dashboard, or you can see the edit page. Okay, from here we'll generate the tool, that is 3D model will generate. Okay, so once you will have this dashboard, I will tell you how you will get this access at the end of this video. You search with 3D. Okay, so once you will just simply type, you will get specific tools to perform all your 3D tasks. For example, image to 3D, text to 3D generation. Okay, then 3D texture, you have AI 3D characters you can generate, 3D scenes. Okay, 3D style graphics, then 2D or 3D style warehouse, then 3D avatar, 3D images scenes. Okay, and you have 3D cartoons, 3D characters or games, and 3D graffiti. So you can see with 3D you can almost perform 12 tasks for 3D related. So today we'll see text to 3D generation. Okay, so you simply click on this card over here, then you will be landed on this page. Okay, so from here you just add your description, text prompt up to 600 characters. Okay, then geometry, that is geometry plus texture, you make sure you set this at full, the generation mode, not only in preview geometry. Okay, make sure it is geometry plus texture. Art style, realistic is better than sculpture. Topology, triangle is better, okay, than quad. So this poly count, higher polygons will get, you will get actually detailed 3D model, but the size, file size will be larger. Okay, and you will spend more credits. Then symmetry mode, make sure it is auto. Texture prompt, you add the prompt seed, optional. Then if you want, you can enable PBR maps, AT pose, and AI prompt enhancement. Okay, so once if you add all these details, you simply click on this generate 3D model, so your model will appear here. Okay, so to get the access of this dashboard, they are offering some discounts now for the Christmas. Okay, so you will get this deal over here. You can see just for monthly package, this is lifetime, but if you want, let me show you this option over here. So this is their one time plus monthly as well. Just a minute now. So they have their monthly package as well. So just for 15 USD per month, you will get the access. Okay, you can see. So it is showing their lifetime deal, because they are running Christmas sale. I will add their monthly plan deal in the description for you. If you want, you can check it. Okay, so till then, take care, bye bye, and create 3D models using text from nicely. Okay, take care, bye bye.